Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google Play balance and making sure Google Play payments are allowed for third-party digital goods. Once done, search the Play Store for apps or services that explicitly sell Amazon gift codes and accept Play balance. Make sure the app's country and currency match your Amazon account, otherwise codes may be invalid. Tap Install, open the app, and create any required account quickly so you can proceed to buying an Amazon gift code using your Play balance. Once the app is ready, pick the exact Amazon e-gift card denomination and confirm the currency matches your Amazon account. At checkout, choose Google Play Balance as the payment method. Some apps show a Play icon or say Redeem with Google Play. Complete the transaction and wait for the code delivery, either instant or via email. Make sure to screenshot or copy the redemption code and save the app's transaction ID. This is essential if you need to prove purchase later. Finally, open your Amazon account, go to Gift Cards, and redeem the code exactly as delivered. Spacing and characters must match. If the code is refused, immediately verify that the card currency and Amazon region match and check your saved transaction proof. If problems persist, contact the seller inside the app with the transaction ID and screenshot. If they won't help, escalate to Google Play support with proof of payment. Quick action and clear evidence are the best ways to recover funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.